Hi Gineers! Welcome to Ginee Channel. Do you often get overwhelmed when replying to your customers? Replying to customers is also counted when evaluating your shop performance, Gineers. But we have a solution for you. Ginee Chat helps you manage all customer chats in one dashboard. Let us all learn together how to use Ginee Chat. First, you need to download the Ginee Chat system to your PC. Just open the Ginee dashboard, then click the Ginee Chat icon. You have an option to download it to Windows or Mac OS system, depending on your PC. When using Windows, select Windows to download the Ginee Chat installer. Once fully downloaded, open the installer. If a page shows that the Ginee Chat cannot be installed, click More Info and select the Run Anyway option. After that, Ginee Chat will be installed. For those using Mac, choose the Mac OS option to download the installer. Once downloaded, open the installer and this pop-up will appear. From here, drag the Ginee Chat logo to the Applications folder. Wait until Ginee Chat installs. If it appears on the desktop page, it means that it has been successfully installed. Once your Ginee Chat is installed, open the icon and it will direct you to the login page. Here, enter your Ginee email address and password to log in. After installing Ginee Chat, there's one more step you need to do, Gineers. Ginee Chat supports Shopee and Lazada integration. We will show you how to integrate your Lazada store. Before you can integrate your Lazada store into Ginee Chat, you need to make sure that your Lazada store is connected to your Ginee dashboard. Once confirmed that it is connected to your Ginee dashboard, click Store Authorization, then select the Lazada tab and click Add Store. You will be directed to the Ginee Store Authorization page. On this page, scroll to the bottom and click Integrate Chat Room to Lazada. Click Start Sync and you will be directed to the Lazada Authorization page. Enter your Lazada login credentials. After filling in the information, click Authorize. Wait until your shop integrates to Ginee Chat. Return to the Ginee Chat dashboard and click the Refresh button to sync your shop. Once done, your shop will appear in Ginee Chat. It's pretty easy to use Ginee Chat, right? With this feature, you will always be able to reply on time. Use Ginee Chat now. Ready, set, Ginee!